Alright, scanning. Found the scanning for unit. So basically for this, you just press the power on, don't turn anything on. And see, downloaded file is stage 3R for 91 octane. And that's all good. Alright, so basically you can put all these tunes in that come with the $500. So basically you got your original factory file that it's kept. Original factory with the speed limit raised, and then you got stage 191, stage 291, stage 2R 91, stage 3 91, then 3R, and then you got 93 octane. So that's the full combo that you get. So you can read DTC, no DTC, and then you got everything that's coming around. So the barrel pressure 13.8, the batteries. The boost is at 0.1 psi, 64 degrees, engine at 0. Everything's all set. Everything. Then you got the. This is what device is powered up and is self-testing green. 100% no flash action. Device has your ECU data diagnostic. Okay, so all right, so fire it up. Okay, now it's found it. Everything's fluctuating. So there we go. You can actually see it. Actually data log. There you go, your modes. Then you got legend, shows you what everything is. And you stop, then back. And that's about it. So you gotta try it out and see how it works. Finally got all the power. We should have all the power that we need. So we'll be right back. All right. All right, guys. So we finally did the tune. Finally did everything. We're doing a test run. Look at the weather outside. So it's not, there's no way we're going to know how fast we can go or what we can do. All the highways are shut down in Northern Ontario. And yeah, but boys, she's mean. Oh yeah, I got to close that hole at the bottom, like I said. So, we won't be able to do the actual test of anything, but had to go try it out. So yeah, the power turbo, that's the turbo hissing. Yeah, well, you can hear the turbo hissing. I actually thought it was the belt. So I don't know if that's normal for a turbo to hiss like that, or if I'm sucking up air or something somewhere where I shouldn't be. She's breathing. Or if that's normal, let me know in the comments below if you guys can hear that puncher. You hear it after it. Or if that's my blow-off valve with the recirculating that's going into the air, shooting back into my air intake. Pretty sweet sound. Because it's not the belt and the clutches, because I figured that that's what it might be. So I went back to everything stock and redid all the clutching and all that, and put everything back to stock, and brand new belt, G-Boost belt in there, and re-cleaned the sheaves and all that. So that belt is slipping on ice and snow. I don't think so. So, and yeah, so it's the way. I guess maybe the recirculating. It sounds pretty sweet. With the EVO tune, I find that the intercooler fan goes on really easy and often, so I don't even know if you would have needed a switch like that. But yeah, so anyways, we'll give you guys a quick outside look of what it looks like. I don't know if it's going to do much, but let's get back in here before you freeze your ass off outside. So how did that look? But, I've never heard that sound before on any other machines, so I'm just wondering, anybody know if that's my recirculating that's making that noise? I don't know, it's slapper too. Well, you hear that? It's impossible. You think it's my tires spinning on the ground? It's like the sound of the tires spinning on the ice that's actually making that noise? Yeah. Put it in two-wheel drive, you'll find out soon enough. Yeah, I guess so. Alright, two-wheel drive. Oh, there's a pickup and then vehicle, so we'll take our time. Are we getting heat? Yeah, we're getting heat, so the valve is open to the right position. Back over there cleaning the driveway. There's no way that my belt is slipping, I can tell you that. It's not belt. That would be the sound of my tires spinning on ice. So when are we burning these tires? Yeah, I'm not burning my 32 inches. So, guys, thanks for watching. I don't think that's the tires, but I know the tires are spinning when I'm doing that, but I'll put it back in 4x4 because it's crazy snow here and people are plowing their driveways, so they gotta be careful. And yeah, so next video, I guess it's gonna be putting the tracks on, and if you guys can see all that snow outside, that is gonna be insane snow playing. We're gonna be jumping ditches, jumping everything and playing in the snow because we got hit hard. All of Northern Ontario is shut down right now, so yeah, so basically finally got the whatchamacallit there, wastegate actuator in just a day, 2 days before Christmas. And when I got home from work, we installed it and finally got it going, did the tune and everything, and yeah, everything seems to be top shape. So appreciate you guys watching, and wishing you guys a Merry Christmas, and be safe out there on the roads. I just hope that it's easy to get caught in a storm like this, so make sure you pack a lunch and some warm clothing. So yeah, we'll catch you on the next one. Let's see if I can get into my driveway.
Don't hit my truck.
I'm not gonna hit your truck. So yeah, so don't do like I did. If you're gonna do 3R tune from EVO or whatever, while you're changing your charge tubes and all that kind of stuff, because there's one that's annoying there. The one on this side right here, I had to unplug my charge tube in the front to be able to move it to get to the third spark plug, right? Remember? And then while you're doing that, it would have been so easy when all the charge tubes were off and all that. It would have been a snap. Now they say the gap these to between 16 and 18. Well, 16 and 18 thousandths of an inch and in between. So in between is 17. So we're gonna gap 17 thousandths of an inch. So we're just gonna grab this little thing here and just squeeze it down a little bit. They said to put brand new ones, but I did mine 6 months ago, and I'm not gonna spend another 25 bucks. And it doesn't take much to move it. I just overdid. You gotta be delicate with that little thing in the middle there. I don't know if you guys can see that. She's a tiny little thing. And there we go. Maybe a tad tighter. It's so delicate that it's should have bought that little tool that crushes the end. So basically you set your gap in there thingy and you just turn till it's loose, till it's not, so it barely touches. And there we go. So I went 17. So we'll see you in a few seconds. Bye for now.